Hello everybody, welcome to the Svanoe English Vocabulary School. It's Thursday, very good, December 12th. Show number 587. Here are the two words for today. The first one we use in the kitchen. And the second one is when we leave a hotel. Please listen and write this in your notebook. One butter knife is on the table. One butter knife is on the table. Here it is, butter knife. It's a knife, but it's not very sharp. We use it for spreading food around. Now change it to two. Two butter knives are on the table. Now, let's make a card. Card number 1, please write butter knife. 2 words. And remember, the plural is knives with a V. Please write that on your card too. Down here in the bottom left corner, KIT 1. This means kitchen, level 1. And down in this corner, the number 3 out of 50. And the IPA, please write up here in the corner. Butter knife. Knives. Now let's do word number 2 for today. Please listen and write this in your notebook. I will check out of a hotel. I will check out of a hotel. I will check out of a hotel. This means I will leave. I will be finished staying here. I will check out of a hotel. Now let's make card number 2 for today. The basic form is to check out of a hotel. Please write that on your card up here. Down in the bottom corner here, vid 1. This means verb idiom, level 1. And over here, the number 8 out of 76. And the IPA, the first two sound like CH, cha-cha-cha. Check out. Please write that up here on your card. What about you? Did you use a butter knife before? Did you check out of a hotel before? Practice your English. Tell me about it in the comment section. If you're high level, here are the level 2 words for today. The first one is, for example, in a picture. It's not the front part of the picture. It's the... Number 2 is the area behind a house where people might play and relax. And the last one, they do especially in Japan. That's a greeting when you lean forward like this. Do you know that in English? Class is over for the regular students. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. And if you are a new student, welcome to the Svanoe English Vocabulary School. We learn 2 words every day, and we write them on paper flashcards and remember them forever. This is a 2-year course, 2 words per day. Here's our schedule for December and January. We take a break for 6 days. You need a notebook, a pen, and flashcards. That's it, nothing else. We have a rotating schedule, so you can join anytime. Today, next month, March 1st, anytime you can join. Please learn these. We use these very much in our program. And please write your language on the other side. What language do you speak at home? Let me know in the comments. Please make videos of your cards and show them on your site, on your page. You can meet a speaking partner in our program with this hashtag. My name is Vinny. I'll see you tomorrow.